Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that can really level up your English fluency, phrasal verbs. So, let's start the video. Phrasal verb take off. We can use take off to remove something, especially clothes or accessories. For example, he took off his jacket because it was too hot. We can also use the phrasal verb take off to become successful quickly. For example, her business took off after the new marketing campaign. We can use the phrasal verb take off when something leaves the ground, for planes. For example, the plane took off at 7 p.m. Phrasal verb breakdown. We can use the phrasal verb breakdown when something stops working, for machines or vehicles. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. We can also use the phrasal verb breakdown when we lose control of our emotions. For example, he broke down and started crying after hearing the news. We can also use the phrasal verb breakdown to explain something step by step. For example, let me break down the process for you. Phrasal verb put off. We can use the phrasal verb put off to postpone something. For example, they put off the meeting until next week. We can also use the phrasal verb put off to discourage or repel someone. For example, his rude behavior puts me off. We can also use the phrasal verb put off to make someone dislike something. For example, the bad smell put him off eating dinner. Phrasal verb turn up. We can use the phrasal verb turn up to arrive or appear somewhere unexpectedly. For example, she turned up at a party without an invitation. We can also use the phrasal verb turn up to increase the volume or intensity of something. For example, can you turn up the radio? I can't hear it. We can also use the phrasal verb turn up to find something after being lost. For example, my keys are turned up in the drawer.